The clock's ticking. Three, two, one. Boom. Fireworks light up the sky. People shout, Happy New Year! Confetti's everywhere, and for a moment it feels like anything's possible. A new year, a fresh start, a blank page. At least that's what we tell ourselves. We wish for a change, for luck, success, maybe even a miracle. We imagine reaching our goals, breaking free from old routines, and living a life that finally feels meaningful. But here's the question, what really happens after the countdown? The next morning, you wake up. You brush your teeth, take a shower, grab your coffee, and do the same things as yesterday. Nothing feels different. The same routines, the same habits. Why? Because a new year doesn't automatically change your life. January 1st doesn't give you a new habits, new skills, or new opportunities unless you create them. If you don't make conscious choices, life runs on autopilot. You get shaped by your surroundings, your job, your friends, your habits, your past. So here's the real question. Are you going to live 2026 by default, letting life just happen to you? Or live it by design, making choices that match your goals and dreams? By the end of this video, you'll see the difference between the two and learn how a few simple, intentional actions today can completely change your 2026. Let's talk about what it means to live by default. Living by default means letting life happen to you instead of taking control. You react to whatever comes your way instead of deciding where you actually want to go. It's like sitting in a boat without steering, just drifting wherever the current takes you. Most of the time, living by default means doing what everyone else does. You see others chasing certain goals, so you follow, thinking it must be the right path. You copy their dreams, their habits, even their idea of success. But deep down, it doesn't really feel like you. Think about the yes person, the one who says yes to everything, to keep people happy, to avoid conflict. At first, it feels easy, but over time, it drains you. You lose energy, direction, and even your own sense of purpose. Living by default feels comfortable because you don't have to make tough choices. Someone else, your boss, your parents, your friends, or your habits does it for you. It feels safe, but that safety keeps you stuck. Here's the truth. Comfort leads to stagnation. If you're not choosing your own path, you are slowly drifting away from your real goals. Default living might be easy, but it costs you your power, your growth, and your fulfillment. If you want a life that truly matters, you have to step out of autopilot and start making conscious choices today. Now that we've talked about living by default, let's talk about the opposite. Living by design means taking control of your life. It's about making choice on purpose, not just reacting to what happens. You stop running on autopilot and start actively creating the life you want. When you live by design, your choice comes from your own dreams, not from what others expect of you. You act based on your value. And here's something important. Living by design means learning to say no. You stop saying yes to everything because you know where your energy belongs. Sure, it might cost you something. Some people won't understand, and that's okay. But the reward is worth it. Clarity, focus, and freedom to live life on your own terms. Your environment matters too. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, who believe in your vision, and walk away from those who drain your energy. The right environment becomes your foundation for growth and success. And don't forget your habits. Living by design isn't just about big decisions. It's about the small, consistent action you repeat every day. Those habits slowly builds the future you're dreaming of. So here's the takeaway. A designed life gives you direction, purpose, and control. It takes courage, discipline, and sacrifice, but it leads to real fulfillment. You stop drifting. and start steering your life towards the destination you choose. Now that we know what it means to live by design, let's talk about how to actually design your life. It starts with one simple but powerful question: who you are and who do you want to become? That question is the foundation of intentional living. Because if you are not clear about who you are and where you are going, it's easy to slip back into default mode, just following routines that don't match your real goals. Here's the good news: age doesn't matter, whether you are 20s, 40s, or 60s. You can start designing your life today. It's never too late to define what success means for you. Now, what society or family says it should be. It's never too late to define what success means for you, not what society or family says it should be. Start with two questions. What does success mean to me? What am I doing today to move toward it? It's not about huge changes overnight. It's about small, daily actions, habits, and choice that quietly shape your future. A few reminders: don't copy someone else's version of success. Their path might look great, but it's not yours. And create an environment that supports your growth. People, tools, and routines that lift you up, not drain you. Yes, obstacles will come, and that's okay. They are not failures, they are lessons. Every challenge helps you grow stronger and refine your path. So take a moment to reflect. What small decision today will shape your 2026? Maybe it's saying no to distractions. Maybe it's building one new habit. Maybe it's choosing to spend time with people who inspire you. Because every small choice adds up. And those choices decide whether you live by default or live by design. As the new year approaches, many of us hope that January 1st will magically change everything. We think that once the calendar flips, life will somehow feel clearer, faster, or better. But here's the truth: a new year alone doesn't change your life. Time by itself has no power to transform your habits or your results. Real change only comes from deliberate action. Mastery in anything doesn't happen overnight. It's not about one lucky moment or one big decision. It's about building system, habits, and routines that match your goals. That's what living by design is all about. Creating lasting change on purpose. And remember, there are no rules for when to start. You don't need to wait for January 1st. You can start right now. Because change doesn't follow a date, it follows your decision to take control. It's simple: no design, no plan. No plan, no consistent action. No consistent action, no result. If you keep living by default, hoping luck will change your life, you'll likely end up in the same place next year. So make the decision now. Build habits that align with your goals. Make choices that reflect who you want to become and commit to living with intention. Because the moment you choose to design your life, that's the moment you stop waiting to start creating. 2026 can be your year, but only if you start now. As we wrap up, let's pause and look at the two paths in front of you: living by default or living by design. Living by default feels comfortable. It's easy. You don't have to think much or make many choices. You follow the same routines, the same habits, the same expectation. Even if they are not really yours, it feels safe on the surface. But deep down, that comfort comes at a cost. You stop growing, you stop dreaming, and slowly life starts to feel empty. Now, living by design, that's different. It takes effort, discipline, and courage. You take responsibility for your choices. You align your actions with your goals. And yes, it can be uncomfortable. You might have to say no to certain people, habits, or patterns. You might have to step outside your comfort zone. But the reward? Freedom. The freedom to live life your way. To chase what truly matters. to be authentic, not controlled by other people's expectations. Sure, freedom comes with a responsibility, but it's far more fulfilling than the emptiness of drifting through life. In the end, the choice is yours, and no one can make it for you. So ask yourself, which path will you take? The easy road of comfort or the meaningful road of purpose? Living by default is optional. Living by design is a choice. And you can make that choice today. Every small action, every decision, every step you take is shaping the life you are creating. So take a deep breath, be honest with yourself, and decide, will you drift or will you design? The journey begins the moment you choose to live intentionally. As we wrap everything up, I want to leave you with one simple challenge. Take one action today that moves you toward the life you want to design. It doesn't have to be big. It doesn't have to be perfect. It could be setting a boundary, saying no to something that drains your energy, or taking one small step toward a goal you've been avoiding. The key is to move with intention, not just drift. Because every action you take today builds the foundation for the life you are creating. Now, I want to hear from you. Be honest with yourself. Are you living by default or are you living by design, making choices that match your dreams and values? Share your answer in the comments. It's not just for accountability. Your story might inspire someone else who's ready to take control of their own life. And remember this, your life isn't a replay of someone else's plan. You don't have to follow society's script. This is your story. Every day, every decision, every habit shapes that story. So make it intentional. Choose action that reflects your values, your priorities, and your own version of success. And if you know someone who needs this reminder, share this message with them. Because sometimes one simple video, one honest conversation can spark real change. So today, commit. Take one meaningful action. Reflect on your path. Share your thoughts. Because the life you want is built by the choice you make now, not by waiting for a magical moment or a new year. Decide to live intentionally and watch how your days, your months, and your 2026 unfold with clarity, purpose, and freedom.